Hey guys, we're going to be talking about AI to record your voice and clean up the background of your voice. So the name of the website is www.auphonic.com. So it's loading onto the website. Let's see. So this is on the website, your AI Sound Engineer podcast. You can see the view of the website. So you can see how it's going. There's a website you can actually use for podcast, educational video, content creation, audiobooks, and so on. So let's head on to the features of the website and see what we can use the website for. The features of the website. I'm clicking up the features right now. So we have intelligent leveler. Ensure all speakers sound equally loud. It's going to level all the volume, the voices, voice reverberation reduction, filter the voices, cut everything, multi tracks, this loudness specification, speech to text, and so on. So it has many features on the website. So these are the features again: filtering, auto EQ, multi-track, auto algorithm, speech to text, and automated and showcase stuff like that. So we head on to creating an account on the website. So you can put your username right here. So I'm using my username as Flourish. My email, I'm using my business email, flourishgraphics@gmail.com. So password, I put my password there. So that's my password. Put this, it's a password confirmation. Then you put the password the second time. It's just as simple as creating an account on any website. So you put the password there. So I'm trying to get a perfect password, because if you want to use password here, you have to make sure you have lowercase, and then the first capital letter must start with the first letter must start with capital letter, and then maybe a figure too, or at anyone. So you can actually choose if you want to receive a newsletter or anything. So create account. Okay, it told me the username has already stayed here, so I added G to it. Retype the password. So it's saying two password fits did not match. So I'm trying to make sure the password matches each other so that they'll be correct. Okay, so create account. So thank you for registration. So it's asking me to go to my email for confirmation link. So I'm heading on to my email right now. This is my email. So I'm waiting for the mail to drop, trying to load email. So it's going to drop in minutes. Okay, now we have the mail. Welcome to Auphonic. So we have the link. Just click on the link and then head on to the website. Okay, so we are at the website now. Trying to load. Okay, so your account is affected. So we are at the website now. So you can produce your audio files. Go to production. So this is I've headed into. So this is production. You can actually select video from your recorded video on. Maybe you have a recorded audio, rather, or video from your file on inside your. You can use for video record, for cleaning up a video record, and also your audio record. You can select from your file inside your phone, or you can also record on the website. You can record on the website and then work on it. So either ways it works. Any way you want to do it, it works. So let's practicalize it now. Let's head on the website. So here we're on the website now. So let's try it. You can see music playing at my background. So let's try it and see maybe it will work. Okay. So let's press record now. Let's record. We're recording now. So we give it time for it to record. I'm recording now with background voice under it. So when I finish recording, I'll now play it. Background music under it, right? So when I finish recording, I'll play it. You'll see the outcome of it. That is very clean. I've cleaned it up, and you see how nice it has come. So this is the finished production. Okay, you can actually choose to remove the music. remove the breath, remove anything. Like now, my voice having breath, you can remove anyone you want to remove. Move it, finish uploading. Let's see. So we're waiting for it to do the production. So let's see what. My name is Floro. So we're here today to talk about AI sound engineer for your podcast, for your content creation, and so on. So we see how it works. We're gonna record this and see how it works. Maybe it's gonna clean up the voice. Background. So let's try this audio and see maybe it will work. Using this website is going to be very clear enough. So it's quite let's press record now. To the website, record your voice. If you don't want to record, upload the video or the audio you recorded, and also clean up. Maybe you remove the music. You can leave the music, and you can also remove the breath. Anyone you want to do. Try head onto the website and try to use this. This is going to be a game changer for your content creation. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment your view under this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Have a nice day.